And the last feature is the freeze frame effect. So let's pick a person kicking a ball. This keeper could be good, as it is a very slow video. We're going to increase the speed of it, maybe 4 times. Okay, that's better. And we're going to try to freeze the video in the moment it is kicking the ball. So a little bit earlier. Here. So right click again, but not here. Let's zoom in more to be more precise. All right, and click on freeze frame. What happens that it has split the video into 2 parts, and in the middle we have an image. This is an image. This is the first part of the video. This is just an image, and this is the second part of the video. In the image we can edit whatever we want. For example, we could add text. Let's add this and type in here kick with a different color. And let's add it here maybe with an animation. And let's see what the entire video looks like. There we go. Here it's frozen. And then it continues. Beautiful.